Good day, everyone. This is the presentation of Group 5 Flexible Housekeeping Request System.
The problem is flexible housekeeping request system because the system allows guests to make housekeeping requests at any time or in a various ways. It becomes difficult for the staff to manage and prioritize tasks effectively. For example, some guests may request cleaning outside the usual schedule, while others might ask for extra service that are not immediately available. This lack of structure can cause uneven workloads, miscommunication between departments, and even dissatisfaction among guests if their requests are not fully filled. Therefore, while flexibility to improve customer service, it can also create management challenge if not properly organized or supported by a clear process and technology.
Proposed program or idea. We propose the flexible housekeeping request system, a guest-centered service that allows customers to select or request cleaning times that suit their needs. Guests can place their cleaning request through number 1, door tags, clean now or clean later. Door tags, also known as do not disturb or clean my room signs, are used in hotel to communicate with the housekeeping staff. There are typically two types of door tags. Letter A, clean now or makeup room. This tag indicates that the guest wants their room clean and prepared for occupancy. It signals to the housekeeping that the room is available for cleaning and that the guest would like fresh towels, linens, and other amenities. Letter B is clean later or do not disturb. This tag indicates that the guest does not want their room cleaned at the moment. It signals to the housekeeping that the guest is still occupying the room or refers not to be disturbed. By using door tags, hotels can provide more personalized and respectful experience for other guests, while also streamlining their housekeeping operations. Number 2. The front desk or quick call the housekeeping. Quick call to housekeeper device is a tool used in hotels to efficiently communicate with the housekeeping staff. This device allows guests to quickly notify housekeeping of their needs such as requesting fresh towels or linens, needing extra amenities, reporting maintenance issues, requesting room cleaning. By providing a quickly and easy way for guests to request housekeeping services, hotels can improve their overall service quality and guest satisfaction. Number 3. A digital option through the hotel website or mobile apps. It can help make a request, access hotel services, and communicates with the staff. By providing a digital option through the hotel website or mobile app, hotels can enhance the guest experience, improve operational efficiency, and increase guest satisfaction. The main purpose of a hotel system is to streamline and manage various aspects of hotel operations, enhancing efficiency, guest satisfaction, and overall experience. Overall, a hotel system can help hotels operate more efficiently, effectively, and profitably, while also improving guest satisfaction and loyalty.
Benefits: enhance guest satisfaction by respecting their schedule and privacy. Guests can feel more comfortable and valued. Improve hotel ratings and reviews, boosting reputation. Positive feedback increase the hotel images. Strengthens competitiveness by offering personalized service not available in all hotels. Make the hotel stand out from others. Build guest loyalty, encouraging repeat bookings. Guests are more likely to return again. Implementation plan. Week 1. Prepare tools like doors, tags, request form, app, and website. Integrations. Get ready everything so guests can easily communicate their preferences. Week 2. Train housekeeping staff on handling flexible schedules. Make sure staff know how to adjust cleaning times properly. Week 3. Pilot the system on selected hotel floors. Test the process on a small scale before rolling it out fully. Week 4, collect guest feedback, refine the process, and implement hotel-wide. Improve based on feedback, then apply to all rooms.
5. Conclusion. The flexible housekeeping request system addresses a clear service gap by giving guests controls over when their rooms are cleaned. This solution enhances customer satisfaction, encourages positive reviews, and strengthens the hotel competitive edge. Implementing this proposal will not only improve the guest experience, but also promote loyalty and long-term business growth.